Here's a little interesting turn to the project. I had a set of old Yamaha VMax mufflers. I bought some headers and some expansion chamber type mufflers. Well, that side's done. See what it sounds like. So I'll split this from 3 into 2, and I wanted something in front of the wheel, and these things are like 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches in diameter. They're really big. Quite a bit louder. And I was going to paint them black, but the chrome looks pretty good. But they bend just right to go up under there and meet the exhaust pipe. I don't think they'll scrape the ground or anything. I'll play around with them, but they look good. Yeah, that's gonna be kind of funny. Little old 176 cylinder, but those mufflers really don't knock a lot of noise out. And they look pretty good from both sides. Don't look like much from the back. But that looks really bad, I think. So, saved me buying mufflers. I don't know what those expansion chambers, how much they're going to quiet it down. Not much, I would imagine. And these are not going to do much either. But they're going to look pretty cool. So we've got 2 of them, one for each side. This ought to be kind of fun, mounting them and see what it sounds like. Our rear end here is all finished. Now I put on these mufflers. Kind of see if I can get under there and show you what I did. I put a set of headers on it, and they're all bolted up. I still have to do all this inside part, but I'll show you what we did here. It's running 3 into 2. You can see them down in there where they're going in. And you're coming out here, and I got a bunch of step tubes. I use 3 of them. I go into a expansion chamber type muffler. They're really loud, and so I put them into this VMax mufflers. I've got a bolt welded up in there, and it's bolted real strong. Got clamps here on the front. This side all good. I've still got a little bit of hangering to put into it. Here's this side. Coming out of the header there. And then I used a 90-degree bend. Come across to this muffler. I've got it strapped in there. And I've got half of the pipe welded there. I still have to take it out and weld it all the way around. But they go into the muffler there. And it's pretty quiet. It's got a little bit of bark to it. I finished